Hi, in this episode of Color Grading and Davinci Resolve, let's see some interesting tips and tricks. Balancing the shot is the basic for the color correction. Lot of beginners find it difficult to get the white balance right. There's a simple trick to it. Let me adjust the brightness and contrast of the shot first. Now, you got to pick any white object in the frame and you have to be absolutely sure about that. Now, make a window around it. Clicking inside the window would give you some points in curves. As you can see, RGB points are not in alignment with the white point. Let's align them together. See, now the shot is perfectly white balanced. Before and after. Green cast all over the image and the perfect neutralized image. Our next tip is, what if you wanted to make very subtle corrections without affecting the overall brightness of the image? For example, have a look at this shot and concentrate on the parrot. When I reduce little bit of green, there is significant amount of shift in red and blue channel, thereby creating some impact in the luminance of the image. We don't want that to happen. There is a simple solution to this. In tab 1, you will find settings for Luma mix. Just make it to 0. Now, when I reduce green, I don't see any changes in red or blue channel. Very subtle corrections have been made without affecting the brightness of the image. This is very effective, but I always suggest you to keep to default 100 and tweak it when it's necessary. Our next tip is an interesting one. Not many people are aware of the fact that you can remove an unwanted object in the frame in the color page itself. Yes, we are not using fusion here. Let me normal balance the shot first. Now I am selecting the green portion around the object. Go to node sizing, then pan or scan the window alone to cover that unwanted object. Before and after. Of course, it has some limitations to it. Our next step is about how to create your own light inside the Davinci Resolve. First step is we are going to balance the shot. Then let's do some quick grading. What about a night look? Now, if you are okay with the grading, right-click the shot in timeline and generate 3D LUT. Let's call it night LUT. We have to update the list for the LUT to take its effect. It will take some time, wait patiently. Now, let's try this LUT on some other shot. Our LUT is named as night LUT. There you go. It's as simple as that.